you've made it to the final step of this makeup tutorial. I just finished setting my face with setting spray, and so now I'm going to go in and we have a full glam eye, we have a full glam, full coverage face, full beat, full contour, fully glowing to the gods. We're also going to go in with a bold lip, because why not? Normally I like to pair like a bolder eye with a not quite as bold lip, but I think this one will actually be kind of fun because I'm trying to mimic the kind of purple and red that we have going on the eye with the lips. So I'm going to go actually in with a pair of lipsticks from the Jeffree Starrr. This is his holiday collection, his holiday 2017 collection. So this one is Berries on Ice, which is kind of a dark purpley color. And then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Poinsettia, which is a metallic red color, just in the center of the lips. So in order to create this look, I'm going to start by lining my lips. This is the MAC Patrick Starrr lip liner in the color Brick. So I'm just going to very, very quickly line my lips using this pencil. Okay, now my lips are lined. I'm going to go in with Berries on Ice and fill in the top and bottom lips. You want to go kind of simple, light with this. You don't want to put on 2 coats. It might take 2 coats, but just start with 1 to begin with, because if it's with a liquid lipstick, it can be really heavy and drying. Now you've got that down, I'm going to take the next color, which is the Poinsettia, which is the metallic red, and I'm just going to hit the very, very center of my lips, just right here in the middle. And then put the lips, kind of pulling the lips together, touching a little bit on the top. But really keeping it right there in the middle, just to add a little extra dimension and a little bit of an ombre effect with your lips. And there you have it, your full face, full glam makeup tutorial. And cue narcissistic montage.